I'm Gary Baker and this is my son Ryan. We love to bike together in downtown Bloomington. Quite recently, Ryan shifted to California for his new job as a designer. Ryan helped me to register for online banking. One day I opened an email from the bank with the subject Cash Reward Customer Satisfaction Survey. Money was not the reason to open the mail, but I genuinely thought of providing feedback to the bank. I opened the link in the mail. Contents of the survey were suspicious. For a moment I did consider filling the account details. I thought maybe the actual survey is on the next page. However, I would have been robbed of my money. Hard-earned money. I'm really confused. Only Ryan could help me understand this email better, and if I should be filling out the survey or not. However, I realized that it must be Ryan's office hours in the morning, since he's in California, so it may not be a good idea to call him. I decided to forward this mail to him and ask his opinion. I typed a quick mail to Ryan and sent it across. Now I will talk about how Ryan helped me not being scammed that day. Ryan opened his email and his messenger. He saw my mail in his inbox. He opened the mail. He skimmed through the content of the mail, checked the email ID from which the mail had been sent to me. He had a sense of what was going on, but he wanted to be sure. Ryan opened the link for the survey. When he saw the contents, he was sure it was not Chase, and his dad could have been scammed. Above all, it was a SurveyMonkey link. This was certainly not a mail for which he had a prompt response. He searched Google for a website to report phishing mail. He found one. It was the one by United States Computer Emergency Readiness Team. There was an email ID to forward such suspicious phishing mails to. He copied the email address as well as the link for the website. He decides to forward the mail to the USCRT email and pass on the link to me so that I can look into the link and gain more information about such emails and be more careful in future. He copies the link to a notepad file. He decided to search for more such websites which help avoid online scams like these. He found another one from Anti-Phishing Working Group. He copied their email address as well as link to the notepad file. The mail is sent to the two phishing protection agencies. The phishing threat is 50% resolved. For the other 50%, he writes to me asking to delete the mail and passing the two links of the website he found, which were to inform me more about this kind of scamming called phishing. He requests me to share the information with my friends. Ryan refreshes his inbox and a friend of his sent him a Google Wave invite. He starts waving. After spending some time on Facebook, I check my inbox again, and there I find Ryan's response. The two links in the response first catch my attention. I click on those links. I will look at the websites later. I read Ryan's response thoroughly, and before deleting the mail, as asked by Ryan, I reply to Ryan thanking him. Finally, I delete the mail and start to learn more about phishing from the two websites.